Unboxing this Stanley Quencher H2O Flow State Tumbler, 40 ounce, 1.18 liters. Looks like this, the box. 11 hours of cold, 2-day ice, and 7 hours hot. Let's start. Stanley. Box this Stanley Quench H2O Floor State Tumbler, 40 ounce, 1.18 liters. Starts. Unbox and unwrap this Stanley Quench H2O Floor State Tumbler, 40 ounce. It looks like this. Brand new that I brought from Chris Sports. And it is authentic. Only Chris Sports is the authorizer seller of the Stanley Cups. So I love it. The big Stanley Quench H2O 40 ounce. You can buy this at Chris Sports and Stanley at Lazada for I think $27.29. Original and authentic. Happy shopping!